Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm doing a video outside, as you can see, and I have some unboxing, which is small backpack from FOREVER21, and it was on sale. I'm doing the unboxing of this backpack as it's really cute and it reminds me of Chanel backpack, as it has the style. So I've got it in FOREVER21 and it looks like so. It came in such package. Let's remove it. So let's take it off those stuff. And it looks like so. It's from a brand called Crossy. Cross in comparison. Crossy. Originally it was 30 bucks and it's in color silver. But I've got it on sale. So it was like 15 bucks. It come with two straps. Like so, long ones. And also they are silver. And here we hook up. And here they have this kind of chain connected with strap. This chain quality isn't too good, but it's not as bad. And also it I should remove it. So this part I can remove and put it here. And then this part you can like make longer handle here, and then it's really looking like bag. Actually you can use it as a bag, not as a backpack. So if I remove this foil, let me see if I can remove it. And now see, this backpack can be as a bag, as it has long handle, and then those straps are just very short. So it's really versatile. And if you want to wear it as a backpack, then you just pull them like so. And then you have backpack handles. It also has cute opening right here. And let's remove those things. As you can see, it's see-through backpack. And inside it comes with such pocket. I mean, not pocket, but like attached wallet or wristlet, and you can put something inside, like a credit card or something, and it has even lining inside. This is really nice, and it meets your meet trains in current, and then you close like so. Okay, it's closed, and then so you can wear like backpack. Like so. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you like such unboxings in yard and some different than before on yard in the natural light, not at home with bird there. Can you see? It's there. Like such unboxings in the natural light, then thumbs up, so I can know that you like it. And see you in the next videos. Bye.